Good morning, I'm Lynn, and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. Well, we had rain forecast last night and it didn't arrive. It was supposed to be 80% today and we're back down to 40. So not good, because also along with the no rain means that it didn't cool off like they said either. It is a tad cooler than yesterday, but still hot and humid. Oh well, apparently we have it a lot better than some people, so we can't complain. Oh, and here he is. You thought it was going to be Arnie, right? No, this is the new star of the show. Buddy, what are you doing? Hi, Katie. Hi, buddy. Were you out here? I'm not going in right now, so you're going to have to come around and do chores with us. Yeah, I know. It's too hot. So today we might be doing shearing. Depends if Jacob finishes at the other place in time or not. In a way, I hope we do, because I'd like to get it over with. In a way, I hope we don't, because it's so hot and I don't want to work in it. But yeah, I do hope we shear. And I guess the rest of the stuff, we're just going to go through chores and see what's happening on the farm today. And at the end of the video, I'm going to do a little garden tour for those of you who are interested in that. Like I mentioned, I think it was Cindy who asked, you'll have to kind of close your eyes a little bit for the weeds and stuff, because I haven't been doing much gardening in this kind of weather. And also we've got some pictures up of some of our sheep that we shipped out west. We've got a picture of Louie and his new owner. He's the Suffolk ram lamb that went to Barrier, BC. And yesterday, Cocaine and his buddy arrived on Vancouver Island. So we have some pictures of them already too. So come on, let's get started. Fans are still blaring. Right now everybody's busy eating. But you've got the smart spot at the trough. That's Ferdinand. These guys over here are the ones recovering from the worms. Cracker's in here now, only because Cracker got in the feeder on the other side because we have the bars cut out. And we thought, no, don't want him in the feeder, so we brought him to this side where he can't get through. But these guys are doing a lot better despite the heat. And everyone's eating in here. They got their fans up. Nobody's off to the side. It's just like in the winter time, or when your sheep are pregnant, you're always watching to see who's eating and who's pulling back and laying off to the sides. That's a sign that they're not doing well. And everyone is doing well. So that's all that matters. Decided to come visit Tom. Tom was over by the house yesterday too. I think he was looking for Buddy. He doesn't seem like he's a sociable cat, but I think he does miss his friend here. Hey Buddy, you're everybody's friend, aren't you? Yeah, we're gonna do chores and then you can come over to the house. Hi Leonard. It was Leonard's birthday yesterday. 3 months old. Good boy. Everyone said I shouldn't feed Leonard a bottle anymore. But I have to feed Linus, so I just give him a little bit as a treat. No harm done, keep feeding him. He's a sweetheart. He's a growing boy. And he's a keeper. 'Cause you're really nice, Lenny. So Arnie's just fed the creep feed to these guys. Hey, is it a little hot in here? This burn's all done. Again, everyone looks okay. Breakfast time for this barn, all the lambs. We'll head on and have a look at the rams. a Lamborghini that just ran over. Yep, these guys all look good too. So this is a picture of Louie and his new owner Amanda in BC. And here's Cocaine and his other friend. We didn't have a name for him. And they're on Vancouver Island now, doing really well at Still Meadow Farm. Well, the zucchinis are getting bigger. Pretty soon it's gonna be zucchini everything. Okay, so here's part of the garden tour. So this is our backyard. When I moved in here, the backyard consisted of grass and a laundry line. So we planted this tree and then I put in gardens. This used to be a sun garden and it's now a shade garden because of the tree. But all my sunflowers seem to like it anyway. We're not quite in full bloom here. These guys are just starting to flower now. And I got my echinacea here that's just starting to go into bud as well. So probably in a few weeks the garden will look a lot nicer. But it is July, and in July the daylilies bloom. The peonies of back there have just ended. And yeah, as in most gardens, one flower ends and another one starts. So this was the original shade garden with the bleeding hearts and the hostas. And then we have a deck here. I don't like formal gardens. I mean, I like to look at formal gardens, but I don't like to have a formal garden. I like to have a country kind of wild garden. So I let things kind of grow where they will. So you see I've got a vine that grows around the door and along the deck and stuff. Some people would say that's no good, but I like that. And then this was a sun deck that we made, and we found that we never used it because it was directly in the sun, and as we get older our tolerance for sun has grown way less. So we planted 2 trees in the deck and they're going to form like a canopy, so this will be a shade spot where we can lay down and enjoy the backyard hopefully one day. That skull there is from one of my Shetland rams that died many years ago, and yeah, we kept his head. He was an old ram. He died of natural causes. I think he was close to 10 years old. So he's up there. This garden I never got around to weeding yet, so we won't look at that. And this is my wild center garden, which also is in desperate need of weeding. But I got everything in here. Irises, hostas, little shrubs. Yeah, just about everything. But yeah, I'm embarrassed because it's very weedy. And back there is the barns. So we've also got a shade area here with a tree. And we've, the slabs down there are from an old pool table. And we've got our daylilies around the trees. And out here, then we got our windbreak here. This tree was starting to die, so we took the bottom branches off to see if we could save it. And then this is the garden by the deck here. Those are bridal wreath bushes, and this is Stella D'Oro lilies. They're nice because they keep coming back. Got some canna lilies in the process of growing. Don't know what these guys are called, but they spread like crazy, so I've been putting them everywhere because they have a lot of color. Some really nice lilies here. And this stuff is goldenrod. And Arnie yells at me for the goldenrod, but it's so bright yellow and in the fall that I really, really like it. And it blooms when most of the other flowers are basically done. So all the birds and bugs and stuff, bees, get food a little longer in the season because of them. So I'm letting them grow in pockets. Not letting them take over, but I am letting them grow. Some countries you can buy them in nurseries, so. And yeah, these guys are still about to bloom. This is a forsythia bush. Then we go into the front yard. This is where I feed my birds. And I got some plants in among there too. We got a lot of maple trees around here, different types. This is an Italian maple. Got a sugar maple right here, and a red maple down there, and a lot of locusts. We have an apple tree here. Got another garden way down there. And we got a garden over here. And then we got the front garden by the front deck. It's just starting to bloom now. Those are all phlox that look like weeds, but they're actually phlox coming into bloom. They're just starting to bloom now. In a couple of weeks it'll look nice. I don't know, I shouldn't have done this video because now all I'm seeing is that I got a lot of work to do. Right now we're doing some night chores because basically today we sat inside and watched the All Canada Classic on TV. We got some funny cloud formations. The rain we were supposed to get, I think it was an 80% chance of rain today, was a 0% reality. Shearing did not happen again. So we just sat inside and watched the classic all day. But we got good clouds tonight anyway. And while Arnie was doing chores, he was going to let the ewe lambs out. There they go. The dogs were blocking them as usual. Now they're happy. This is the only time of day where it's halfway decent temperatures. And of course they've all run over there now because Buddy's come into the field. He's under the wagon over there. Hi, Buddy. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Did you come out to see the lammies? Yeah? What do you think of them? Do you like them? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hi, you guys. Did you see the pussycat? There's a pussycat here. Lots of mosquitoes. Oh, look at Buddy now. Ever the drama queen. Where you going, Buddy? Are you a bit of a drama queen? Come on, Buddy. Hi. You look extremely lovely. Hi. You got a red dot. That means I want to keep you. Hi. No wonder. It's great for these lambs out here right now because it's cooler temperatures. Not so great for human who is getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. Hi. Hi there. Oh, that's my knee you're nibbling on. That kind of hurt a little bit. Yes. Hello. Hi. Yes, I was silly. Hi, you guys. Hi. You want to go in now? Did you want to go in? Probably not, but it's getting dark. Hi. Hi. Hi.
They're not eating.
No? They're a nice crew.
Hey, get off the rail.
These are the last of the Suffolks.
So it was another hot day today, and the share didn't show up today. He probably had some difficulties somewhere, so we'll have to rebook him to get the rest of it done. But these Suffolk lambs really look a lot nicer with the wool off them. You can see they're in pretty good shape, pretty good rumps on them. So those two rams we purchased last year at the Classic, I wasn't really tickled with the lambs, but I have to say they definitely improved their sheep quite a bit. Excuse me. The Dorsets, I still like them. I'm still going to work heavier on the legs, but I'm thinking we're well on the way repairing the legs. That's a pretty nice Dorset there. So, I think that's Lamborghini right there.
You can tell Lamborghini because he's got the dangly nuts.
Oh, does he? Oh. Oh, they're not too bad. I've seen them way worse than that. I think that's him. No?
I don't think
That looks nice looking ram there anyhow.
this might be my guy. Hi, buddy.
Oh, another good looking ram.
Oh, this might be Lamborghini. I don't know.
So see what I was saying?
Now we got to figure out who everyone is.
See what I was saying is, you see behind that shoulder blade right there? See how nice and thick he is behind that shoulder blade?
This is really nice. I assume this is Lamborghini.
Oh, yeah, he looks good.
Hi, bud. Hey, don't run. I'm thinking that's him.
And we're just waiting to get the Dorsets shorn off. 55 of them to do.
Hi. Hi. Oh, you're an angel. You're an angel. Oh, not anymore when you pull my hair out. You're a devil.
I was saying we are.
Nice him too.
I was saying we're working on the Dorset legs there, and you see the Dorset legs are quite good.
Yeah, I think they're we picked for the legs.
Yeah.
There was
Come on,
one
Max.
I thought was a little down on his pasterns, but
Yeah, I thought there was one too, maybe a little bit.
Hi,
But they're definitely all different, eh?
now we gotta recognize them all again. Who are you? You're a little guy.
Well, that's a little guy there, but actually he's perfectly on his feet.
Well, he's the one that looked like number 3. Hi. Hi. This is from Quincy.
Excuse me.
He was from the February trip.
Yeah.
Who's this guy? He's got good legs.
Probably a cross.
I don't know because we lost the dots and everything now.
Yeah, I got a funny feeling that could be a Texel a
We
little
have
bit.
to, no. Good. Hi. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
I know he's from Hanson. Oh, here's my guy, maybe.
The reason why I say this is maybe Texel, because you see he has no wool on his legs. I see he left a little bit there.
Well, it could be a cross.
Yeah, I think it's a cross.
But we kept 2 Texels
Yeah.
back. He's not. Hi, buddy. This is the guy who I chopped the wool off.
Huh?
This guy's from Hanson. From Hamish.
Well, excuse me.
Hi, you're really nice. You're really nice. You're my guy. Yeah. We're gonna feed you so that you get fat like a show sheep, okay? We're gonna fatten you like a show sheep. Yeah. Oh, no, don't eat my hair. It's not appealing when you do that. Hi. Hi. Would you like to go in the show? There you go. Yeah, see that? See how nice that is? Hold on, hold on. There we go. You standing right?
Back foot. One's a little too far back, and one could be a little more back. Even those, got to even those back feet out. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
There you go. And you gotta put that a little backward. There you go.
Yeah. So see the way you're holding them now, I think his back feet are back too far, and so the one back foot should be a little bit ahead.
Which one?
The one away.
This?
Yeah.
This
So
one?
just there you go. There you go.
It's too far up.
No, it's actually just give him lean your knee into it just a little bit, and he'll come back. Just give him a little lean there. There you go. There you go. Right there. Right there. You don't want. I don't think you should spread them that far apart. Just that's natural. Right there. Who's a dummy beside you?
Who are you? This guy says I want to be shown. Hi. How are you looking? Let's put your legs.
So I'm taking. You don't need a halter when you go in the show ring.
Oh yes, I do.
Oh, that one has a fault.
What?
A little black dot on his belly. See on this side.
That's okay. We'll call him Licorice.
See the little black dot?
How's he standing?
Good.
Hi, Licorice. Hi. Do you want to be my two show sheeps?
That one stands nicer. This one may be carrying a little more bulk to it, but that one there is probably a little more stronger on the top line and stuff. Hey, buddy.
Are you on the top line?
Yeah. I just told people that I wasn't really happy with those two rams we bought, but they really actually improved us quite a bit. I guess we mixed up the gene pool a little bit, eh?
Different style of sheep, these ones. Our knees. How come these two are so friendly? Hi. This must be your guy. Because he wants to be a friend, but he's not a friend. He's got the more dangly nuts. That's how I can always pick him out.
He's got big mitts on him.
I'm pretty sure that's Lamborghini.
Yeah.
He's more smooth, I find. These guys are a little narrower, but still a little.
Yeah, but the one you have there, you see, right behind that shoulder blade is not, and Lamborghini is just a little bit, you want a little stronger in that shoulder. I definitely wouldn't not use him for that reason.
Oh,
because
he wouldn't be. This is Lambert.
Oh, the cross.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Hey, Lambert.
But when you say it's a cross, how much cross? Less than 10% probably? Quite a bit less.
Yeah, quite. Well, I don't know.
So he's 90% Suffolk.
Well, he's probably. But yeah, was he the one that I was showing? Like that would. Explain,
Oh, I'm not sure anymore.
That'd explain why he's so friendly.
I'm not sure anymore.
There's a nice Dorset right up there.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, were you fighting?
What, they broke a little skirt off? Ooh, yeah, a little bloody spot there.
Hi. Oh, you're the love bug. These are the little guys that came right at the very end. He's a love bug. Look at him. Look at the ears. Oh my goodness. How did it happen? How did you guys get
See, Lynn, you hug the sheep more than you hug a bee.
That's because they give me attention back.
If I gave you any more attention, then you'd be spoiled. Well, you actually are spoiled.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, buddy, who are you?
Well, that's it for another day at Ewetopia Farms. Thanks for joining us. And please be sure to join us again tomorrow for the next episode at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.